How to fix Snapchat filters not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So, launch settings, navigate to the option Wi Fi, click on the Wi Fi network you are connected to, forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router, and then rejoin it. Then enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes, and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Now you can launch your Snapchat and try to use different filters. Next thing you want to do is enable location services. For that, scroll down, navigate to the option privacy and security, click on the option location services, make sure you have enabled for this option, then head over to the app Snapchat, check in for the option while using the app. Next, you want to check camera permissions for Snapchat. So scroll all the way down, click on the option apps. From the list of apps, find Snapchat. Once you find it, launch it. Now, enable for the option camera. Likewise, enable for the option microphone. With these customization, your filter should work. If still you are having the issue, completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. For that, navigate to the Snapchat app, press and hold on it, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete, then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. Once app appears, install it. So these are some fixes for Snapchat filters not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.